In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get married in Code of the Lamb. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to marry one of your followers in Code of the Lamb. This will give you 30 faith. It costs 75 bone and it has a cooldown of 3 days. The only requirement is Law and Order 2. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to properly do it and where you can find the option to do a wedding. To do it, you will have to go over to the temple altar and perform a ritual. So this ritual, like I said, allows you to marry one of your followers, gaining 30 faith as a result. After the ritual, the married follower will have an extra action called Kiss that, when performed by the player, increases their loyalty by 10 per day. You can marry as many followers as you like. However, existing married followers will get jealous after the ritual and lower their faith by 5. So keep all of that in mind. To do it, like I said, just go over to the temple altar, initiate a ritual, and one of the options is going to be wedding. If you don't see wedding as available as a ritual on the temple altar, make sure that you have Law and Order 2. After you acquire it by Law and Order 2, you will be able to pay 75 bones and then choose any of your followers from the list. When you choose any follower available, you will perform the ritual, you will marry them, you will see an animation play out, and the faith will be increased by 30. Afterwards, you just have to repeat this process if you wish with other followers, and remember that you unlock the new action Kiss that allows you to increase their loyalty by 10 per day. Repeat this and you will be able to increase the faith and the loyalty of your followers, and you will be able to do it as many times as you wish. Be aware of the jealousy system, because you can also consequently lower the faith of pre-existing followers, but you can marry as many as you like. I hope I was able to help you on how to get married in Code of the Lamb. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.